bling bling over there than it is over here. You know what I mean? How you doing, man?
How you doing, bro? Good to see you too.
How you doing?
How are you?
Sai, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I met your brother, I believe.
Oh, really?
Hey, how's it going? Yeah. How are you, man? Nice to see you. Yeah, good to see you. Hello, Sai. Jaden, nice to meet you.
Oh, this is your car?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Of
bro.
course,
Thank
man.
you for
Of
that.
course.
I
You
really
know.
appreciate that.
He's like, who the fuck's this guy right now?
No, that's awesome. Everyone's going
Oh,
fucking
very good.
Everyone's
crazy
getting a
over
lot of
the
action.
car.
Very good.
A lot
I
of
have
people
another
asking
car
the price.
selling the Rolls, so
I saw it.
we just
That
kind
big
of came
price.
to
Yeah,
talk.
I saw
I've been
that.
wanting to come down all week, but man, we're so busy at work. If I take off because our office is so far from here, then
Yeah.
I don't want to go back, and the whole day's gone. So
How far is it from here?
we're right by Sky Harbor Airport.
Okay.
I mean, literally right there.
That's
So
my
you know,
favorite.
it's like 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
good.
No, it's
Congrats.
funny because we're Daniel Corey is always at the store, and he saw the car because it was all over the IG. He goes, "I know Sai, bro. Tell him I said what's up." He came here. He was here Thursday.
Oh, was he here Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay,
He came
very
here
cool,
Thursday. He
man.
picked up a really nice one.
Awesome, very good,
Yeah.
very good.
No, thank you for that. Seriously.
Of course,
We
man.
really
Anytime,
appreciate
man.
that.
That's a pleasure. Your staff have been great. You know, very professional, very everything, man. So, you know, I want to come and see your operation. Your brother was telling me about the factory and everything, man. It's amazing.
It's cool.
Good for
It's
you guys.
fun.
Congratulations.
Thank
That's
you.
great.
Thank
That's
you so
great.
much.
If you, have time, you're more than welcome to stop. I know you guys are just dying to get home, man. After a week
a
like
long
this,
show.
is a lot, man.
10 days.
10 days, yeah.
10 days here. It's
Yeah, and a lot of standing, a lot of like.
Bro, yesterday we didn't get out of here till like
It's like
10:45.
These guys, you see the statue guys, they're my
Yeah,
friend.
yeah.
You know, they said that 11:30, they finally said, let's cut it out.
He came
You
to
know?
the booth, it was like 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I said, dude, I'm like,
Yeah,
I'm done.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because they want you here at 7:30 in the
7:30,
morning.
that's what he said. You got to show up at 7:30.
Yeah,
I mean,
crazy.
that's early, bro.
Yeah. And I feel bad for them because they're busy.
Yeah, they're busy, yeah.
You know, like for us, it's like we get busy and then it dies down a little bit.
yeah,
We get busy.
yeah.
These guys are like,
Yeah,
they're talking the whole
people
day.
want to see everything. They want to know everything, and they don't necessarily buy anything. But 1,000 questions, you know, we call it tire kickers in our industry. There's a lot of tire kickers. I mean, I'm sure with you too.
course,
There's a lot of tire
happens.
kickers.
Yeah.
I think we invented the word, so
Yeah.
we get the most amount of tire
Yeah.
kickers. You know, people come here with their wife. You're like, okay, maybe I don't spend 50,000, but I spend 500.
Yeah,
Tire
exactly.
kickers, they don't spend nothing.
No.
You just waste your time. So,
That's funny.
anybody interested in the car? Yeah, people are interested.
A lot of people are asking
Yeah.
the price and everything
Yeah.
like that. I mean, every single person that passes by, I mean, it's like this.
Yeah.
They stop,
I know.
they look.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
I get tagged all day.
Yeah.
You know, on the Instagram. I made a mistake. I should have like made one printout, and I have stands to just
Yeah.
say tells you what the car is.
The price,
I know.
everything.
I know.
Yeah.
This is my mistake.
Yeah.
Actually, your mistake.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Our mistake is
He's the boss. He can blame it on you.
Sai, I think.
I think it'd be smart if we did something like this.
But at the end of the day,
No,
buck
next time-
stops with me.
No, next time you should even like put a QR code.
Yeah,
Direct to your
it was
website,
done. Yeah,
Instagram,
it was done.
stuff like
I
that. Sure,
really,
sure.
we didn't know until last minute this car was coming because I had a customer on it. Okay, so
Yeah.
I was going to give you a different car. The customer still was taking his car because he has a trade. He said, I'm going to take my car to get appraised. So when you want to take it on the trade, I kind of know what it was. So I said, that's fair. I said, so that gives me about like a week because I have an appointment. So that's why I ended up giving this car. But nonetheless, I'm going to get that done in one hour.
We're in October.
My feeling. Hey, nice to meet you, my
Pleasure.
friend.
You're gonna be here, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna go see check on my car, see what time it's running, and we'll swing back.
Good luck.
All right, see you,
I'll bid
man.
on it for you. We'll bid it up. Yeah.
Don't buy it though, because I'm gonna owe you for the car, the buy fee, the sell fee, all of it.
That's fine.
I'm willing to lose, but I don't want to do all of that. That's all right, see you. Car looks good.
Do you like the balloon white rather than the purple?
You know, personally, I'm just talking personally
Yeah.
for myself. I like the purple. Personally, if this was my car, I would drive it that. But this balloon white with the it just is so clean,
Perfect.
so
Everything.
classy, man. It is so classy. Dry carbon, not overly done. The interior pops. Even like a little tiny bit of the purple here around the mirrors, around the wheel. The lighter pink or purple for the stripes inside the car, like all the little tiny detail work around the whole car really makes a car. Did you see the latest picture?
Oh yeah. He sent me this
I
one.
mean,
Yeah.
that is That is fire.
That is
You
insane.
need to get to this stage.
Hey, I'm getting there.
You're getting there. Yeah, I know.
Optics Brandon over on Instagram. Follow him. He took that picture.
This is gonna be our spot for pictures. That's it. We're not going anywhere else, bro.
Yeah,
This is the spot.
yeah.
This is the spot. I mean, the framework, the wheels on the side, the lights, just the shiny floor. Come on. Thanks, man. You want to buy it?
No, I have an Aventador LP 720 Anniversario.
You can trade it in for this, man. Come on. How many of those belongs out there? There's only one of one prototype. All right. You decided to trade. We're here. This one of one, man.
Yeah, this is one of one.
Yeah.
The wheels are one of one. The interior is one of one. The body kit's one of one. Everything.
Everything's one of one. What a beautiful spec, man.
Yeah. I like the white because it makes the interior pop so much more. With the purple and purple, it looked incredible, but it just, something about this being this color and that being bright makes it stand out a lot more.
I'm excited for some of the new cars we're building, you know.
Yeah.
The,
What do we got? We got, what, maybe, that one's on the way. Crowd favorite.
I know.
Everyone's around it.
Open the door. Should I do it?
You own the car.
I know, but I don't want to get in trouble.
There you go. There you go. This car is so sick, man.
Let's see what happens, right?
So I just went under the railing.
You already saw.
Man, this thing is sick.
Yeah. Oh, that one. I like that. This one. 1371. So we got that.
All right, let's go wipe it. Oh, look who traded places.
Now you're a star.
Hey, supposed to be all free.
I know what I'm doing.
Watch me get yelled at for going back there with a rag.
Go for it, bro. I'm here to
Why
protect.
are you smiling?
I'm here to protect you. I like it. Already, what a difference. I'm telling you. I'm gonna get you a big bonus if this thing sells. I'm telling you. Watch.
You guys are hearing this?
Yes. Bro, you missed the spot.
Yeah. All right, easy. Dude.
I know, I'm telling you,
my-
bro. I'm telling you. Act like you've done this a couple of times or what?
Only a handful of times.
I'm only here for support. For mental support. Good job, bro.
Look at this guy.
I promise you, big bonus. Give me that.
This guy is so crazy. Look at him. Professional detailer.
Bro,
He was.
Bro,
That's how he started.
I'm telling you, like, we paid this guy $50 to do this, what we did, me and you, in 3 to 5 minutes.
And 2,200,000 and 2,200,000 down to 2 and 2,200,000 down to 5 7 and 2,000,007 and 2,000,007 and 2,000,007. 6 is bid. Sold. $2,600,000.
Oh my God, Dave.
I'm a 200 down to bid 50. I'm a 200, 250. I'm it on 2, 250 to bid here. I'm it on 2, 250. Now 3. I'm it on 3. I'm it on 3, 375 3. I'm it on 3. I'm it on 3. 300. I'm it on 3. I'm on 300. I'm on 3. I'm on 3. I'm on 25. I'm down to the lead. I'm at 300 surge. I'm Tommy. You got to be 250. I'm at 325. I'm at 300 you're out. I'm at 325. I'm at 325. I'm at 325. I'm at 25. 5. 305. Is that correct? Now 10. I'm at 310. 310. All in. How you doing? I'm at a money hand die. Sold $310,000 die.
Cy and Josh already left, but this car and the Rolls Royce just went up for auction and they both sold. So that is officially the end of our Barrett Jackson journey. The wide-body Lamborghini Revuelto is still for sale at the Happy Jewelers booth. That car is available right now currently for $900,000. You can check out all types of descriptions and photos on our website, creativebespoke.com if you're interested, or you can call us directly at 480-695-5002.